Hello everyone, I am Manish Prajapati from BTech Mechanical Engineering 4th year. I am pursuing BTech from College of Engineering and Rural Technology, Partapur Bypass, Meerut. This is my presentation on self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are not a recently new concept and theory. The prospect of a self-driving vehicle has been theorized since the 1500s when Leonardo da Vinci first developed a self-propelling car. The idea of self-driving device has ranged from cars, torpedoes, rockets, and even to airplanes. The most recent development of a self-driving cars was developed by Tesla and was named the Tesla Autopilot. Tesla Autopilot was developed for hands-free control on highways and freeways and implemented through a software called Model S. This software is still in its early stages and Tesla hopes to improve on this software for years to come. Here is market viability of self-driving cars. There is a strong predicted market of self-driving cars. And example of future consumers of self-driving cars, that is small businesses, large corporations, domestic and foreign governments, various national and private militaries, individual consumers, and foreign and domestic investors. Let's see strengths of self-driving cars market. First one is large market and consumer demographic. Second one is improved transportation efficiency. Third one is fewer accidents. Fourth one is decreased traffic congestion. Fifth one is increased highway capacity. Sixth one is lower fuel consumption. Seventh one is parking ease of mind. Eighth one is improved mobility for elderly children and disabled. And here let's see weaknesses of self-driving cars market. First one is government restrictions and regulations. Second one is driver and car safety malfunctions. Third one is city and rural infrastructure changes. Fourth one is algorithmic concerns and malfunctions. Fifth one is vehicle communication and wireless privacy concerns. Sixth one is expensive hardware and quality of parts. And now looking for short terms of these type of vehicles. First one is high demand and need of these type of vehicles. Second one is useful to individuals, corporations and governments. Third one is software and programming are still in early stages. Fourth one is unknown problems and conflict will arise. Fifth one is low public awareness. Sixth one is high distrust and or caution regarding newly released cars. Let's see long terms of these type of vehicles. First one is major traffic and infrastructure changes in cities. Second one is major infrastructure expenses for rural areas. Third one is loss of jobs for truckers, couriers and other transportation based employments. Fourth one is major economic and transportation changes for various parts of society. Now let's see competition for these type of vehicles. There are currently several car companies competing and developing software for self-driving cars. These car companies include such that Mercedes-Benz, General Motors, Continental Automotive System, IAV, Autoliv, International Marketing Corporation, Bosch, Nissan, Renault, Toyota, Audi, Hyundai Motor Company, Volvo, Tesla Motors, Peugeot and Google. Many of these companies are based in America, Japan, China, Germany, other countries around the world. There will be a large number of competitors competing in the self-driving car industry in both the near and long-term future. Summary of the self-driving cars. First one is overall the self-driving cars market is a large and expensive one. Second one, there is a ton of opportunities for improvements, developments and new innovations regarding the self-driving car market. Third one is self-driving cars will be a very large marketable product with many opportunities for advertiser and the market of companies. Fourth one is, in my personal opinion, it would very profitable for our company to move forward with the self-driving car advertising market. Fifth one is, there will be many companies and corporations willing to pay top dollar for increased market exposure and advertisement based on the development of new self-driving cars.